In this video, I am going to show you how to color the water within a pond and how to make it realistic. So to do this, I am taking here a simple page of an exercise book, which is a drawing exercise book, and now with it I am taking a double tape to fix this page. So let's fix this page. It is a whiteboard marker. It is a whiteboard black marker, and I am using a scale to make border on it. To me, I have an Opsora non-dust rubber and a HB pencil for drawing. Also a domes color for coloring this. So let's start. At first, I am putting this pond within a scenery so that it looks better. Here I am just giving some of these bushes and trees, nothing else, because I am highlighting on this pond just for this scenery. So at first I am coloring this sky. So this is the sky, and I am using sky blue color to color it, and then mixing it with my finger. Then again using sky blue color. You know that water has no such color, just the reflection of this sky will be shown from this water, and here has some trees and bushes, so this will also be reflected from this water. So for this reflection I have to draw at first, I have to color at first these bushes, and then I will show you how the reflection shows from this pond. So this is deep green color, and along with it I am using light green color and just dragging this deep green color with this light green color by pressing on this color too much. Then using Prussian glue at these sides only. Then for this tree I am using brown. And at the right side yellow color. It is black color at the left side. You can also use brown color to color this. Now this is the land. I am using sap green color here. I am making this in this video because I have to make the environment to color this water of this pond, because water has no such color. So I am making just environment of this water such that I can color it by showing the reflection of these objects. So this is now light green. Then I am using lemon yellow color at the topmost portion of it. Then at the lower portion I am using deep green color, then brown, I am using white color at here, and on it I am using pink color. So it looks more better than the previous one. So this is the sky. Now let's color this pond. So for coloring, as you can see, the reflection of these trees will come at this portion and this will come at this portion. So at first I am using sap green color at this portion, since the shadow of it will come here, but a little amount, and then use light green color, then on it use lemon yellow. After that use deep green color for this portion, but you have to notice that I am using this color horizontally, so you also have to use these colors horizontally, otherwise the pattern of this water will goes defected. And then light green at this portion, also light green at this portion, then Prussian blue here in this portion also, then brown color for the trees, and also yellow ochre at this portion. Make it more dark. You can use also black with a few amount. If you are just trying to draw, and so if you are beginner, then you cannot use this black color, because this use of this black color is too much difficult. And after that this color will come also at this portion, so I am using pink color here, and after that I am using this sky blue on it, and at other portion also. Now after doing this, just pick the white color from your color box and then apply it horizontally on all the colors you used in this water. Now after using it, use your finger to mix them together. So as you can see, this will give now the water-like effect. You can also rub this portion with your finger, since I am not using white color in this portion, so it will not give water-like effect. And now again place this deep green here, and then on it Prussian blue like this here also, then also use black color, brown color again at this portion. So as you can see, this gives water-like effect, and I think you can also draw it with your own. So you can try it at your home, and if you have further problem, then comment me at the comment section. I will help you at there. Otherwise, you can also mail me at the mail given at the description. You can use white color now, like this. You can also add this type of things here. Then you have to use this pattern. So this is the realistic water light pattern. I am making it with oil pastel color, and I am using Dome's oil pastel color. You can also use another oil pastel color to draw it and color it. Okay, thank you, and for more related videos you can also subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get notification from this channel. Thank you.